Hello, little announcement. This December we're going to do a 2-day geopathic stress workshop in Austria. Now this is open to people who have done EMF1, the guided online course to become a EMF consultant, or those who have done the classic course in the past if they want to do a repeat. We do a maximum of 6 people. Now the people that have already committed to an in-person workshop, as in nowadays we call that EMF3, they are invited to attend this 2-day geopathic stress workshop at no cost. That's right, for free. So what does that also mean? Well, if you have enrolled in EMF1 and you've not yet committed to an EMF3, and we have those on the board now for 2022. If you commit to enrolling to one of those, which is the 4-day course or workshop where we teach you also about geopathic stress and we do the actual home assessments, if you commit to enrolling in one of those, you're also invited to come and do the geopathic stress part for free this December. So you get extra tuition, so to speak. Anyway, I'm keen to see you, have a bit of fun at the famous geopathic stress training site of GeoVital, which is just totally awesome. And yeah, just enjoy the scenery there. You might get a little bit of snow, as in where we are, but if you get in the car and start driving to the mountaintops, you'll definitely get snow. So, well, I shouldn't say definitely, but normally. So yeah, anyway, all excited, and yeah, come and learn about geopathic stress. Either enroll in this workshop on its own if you've done EMF1 or a classic course, or if you've already committed to an EMF3 for next year, then you're welcome to join us at no cost for this 2-day training on geopathic stress. All right, hope to see you there.